Now, the food remains in the stomach for 4 to 5 hours, and food it thoroughly mixes up with the HCl. Now, the food is called food when it gets mixed with gastric juice, it is called chyme. पहले जब फूड मिक्स हो गया था स्लाइवा के साथ, then inside the buccal cavity it was termed bolus. Now in the stomach when food is mixed up with the gastric juice it is called chyme. Now the two enzymes, inactive enzymes present in the stomach, they are in the gastric juice, they are propepsin and prorenin. Propepsin is converted, this is inactive enzyme. In the presence of HCl or hydrogen ions, it gets converted into pepsin, and then this pepsin acts upon proteins and digests them into proteoses and peptones. These are peptides. What are peptides? Few amino acids joined together, they are called peptides. ठीक है. Now prorenin, prorenin is an inactive enzyme. In the presence of HCl it gets converted into renin. It is secreted in infants who feed exclusively on milk diet. Now this renin it acts upon soluble milk प्रोटीन सीजन. मिल्क में देखो सारे फूड कंपोनेंट्स प्रेजेंट हैं, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, लेकिन दे आर प्रेजेंट इन सॉल्युबल फॉर्म. तो रेनिन इट एक्ट्स अपॉन soluble milk protein casein and converts it into insoluble milk protein, that is पैरासीजिन. अगर कभी नोटिस किया हो बहुत छोटे बच्चे जब वो व्हेन दे फीड ऑन मिल्क आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन दे बर्प आउट, तो कर्ड लाइक सब्सटेंस कम्स आउट ऑफ देयर माउथ. दैट कर्ड लाइक सब्सटेंस क्या है? वो सीजिन जो मिल्क में सॉल्युबल था, दैट हैज़ बिकम पैरासीजिन. दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रेसिपिटेट्स. As the child starts taking the solid food in, the secretion of renin gradually decreases and adult stage में आने तक it is almost non-secreted. It is not secreted in adults. Now from the stomach food enters into small intestine. Small intestine के हमने किए थे कौन कौन से पार्ट से? There was duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Jejunum and ileum, they play a large role in digestion and of course absorption also. But duodenum it receives the openings of two glands, liver and pancreas. Liver, inside the liver is present gallbladder, and this gallbladder secretes bile juice. Bile juice contains no enzyme. No enzyme is present in it for digestion. It contains bile salts, bile pigments, cholesterol and phospholipids. These are present. Two bile pigments present are bilirubin and biliverdin. The two bile salts present are sodium taurocolate